unnecessarily by taking this action. Opportunity has been given that people will comment on it. We'll have to see why this action was taken by the officials. Here you have the architect of the Aghadi government, the man who cobbled up the coalition of Shiv Sena, Congress and the NCP, now lashing out at this BMC demolition drive. Arunil, big development indeed.
Well, this is significant development, Pranesh, considering that Sharad Pawar is the person who formed this Aghadi government, got the three parties together, he and Sanjay Raut, and now Sharad Pawar questioning the BMC's move to demolish one structure. He's also saying that there are many such illegal structures, illegal buildings in the city of Mumbai, and if we note at it, there are around close to 95,000 illegal structures in the city of Mumbai. Now, why take action against only Kangana Ranaut, who was basically speaking against the government in Maharashtra? That is basically nothing but vendetta politics being done by the Maharashtra government. The BMC clearly acting as per the instructions of the Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena controls the BMC. The Sharad Pawar has criticized it. Now, whether Sharad Pawar will speak to the CM of Maharashtra and the Congress leaders about it, that also remains to be seen. But this is an extremely significant development, Pranesh, considering that the person who's been considered to be the main architect of this three parties coming together and forming a government, he criticizing the BMC's move. What will be the NCP's entire opinion about it? That clearly will be awaited.
All right, Mohit Bhatt also joining us. Mohit, this is a significant development because Times Now was raising this point. We underlined this fact that there are many illegal structures in Mumbai, and the Mumbai civic body, the BMC, has been sitting on several such complaints of encroachment. In fact, many kilometers of the mangroves land has also been encroached, and there are several RTI reports that exposes how there has been inaction, no action on part of the BMC. So why single out Kangana? Mohit.
And Pranesh, the irony over here is that this question has been raised by Sharad Pawar, who is considered to be the architect of Maha-Aghadi government, that there are various illegal constructions in Mumbai. Why did you demolish this particular structure? So we have to wait and watch how will Shiv Sena reply to this, and specifically Sanjay Raut, because this fight is said to be between Shiv Sena and Kangana. She has been raising questions over the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. She has been challenging Shiv Sena leaders that she will be coming to Mumbai, and when on a day when she was to come over here in Mumbai, her house has been demolished. Now, as of now, Pranesh, there is a stay, but the damage has been done. I'll show this damage. I'll show this damage to our viewers over here. Look at this, Pranesh. This was her office. Now, we are not saying that why did they demolish the illegal structure. We are saying that it has been here since a long time. When Kangana Ranaut's team said that they need 7 days to file the reply, Kangana was herself coming over here, and at 12:30 the hearing was there. As soon as the lawyer of Kangana Ranaut came, the BMC officials and Mumbai police ran away. Pranesh, what exactly were they doing? Why
Absolutely. Stay with us and look at these pictures, viewers. Look at the JCB machines that the BMC team got to demolish part of Kangana's office. Sandeep, let's zoom out, show this to our viewers. Is this procedure or is this persecution? In this fight that Kangana is having with the Maharashtra government, is Kangana Ranaut now been singled out for speaking out against the Maharashtra government? Arunil, stay with us.